Hi everyone. Today we're going to create some ticket policies specifically on Community Open that will reflect the fields that you want within your tickets. This will help you collect the data that you want to collect. So first head over to Configuration and Settings, then head over to Cases and Policy. We already have two policies for the Customer Support and Human Resources division created. So we're going to create a new policy for a different division. I'll just call this new policy because it's just an example. I'll go over to Type and Location, and I'll go to Portal, Open Now, on Division, and select IT Department. Now we go to Fields to Show, and these are the fields that we think are going to be important for our clients to fill out. So I don't think we need projects here, projects version, or assets. I think Summary, Priority, and Issue is a good starting place. Now I'll go to Required Fields, and these are the fields that are going to be required that your clients have to fill out. So I want the Priority, Issue, and Summary, all the fields that we selected here, to be required. Perfect. Now I'm going to save these changes. We can see that the policy was added. Now I'm going to refresh my screen. Head into the new policy and make sure it's attached to the community that I want it to be attached to. Perfect. I'm going to save these changes. Now we'll see that we have a Customer Support and IT Department and a Human Resources policy. Each of these policies can and will contain different fields. Now, if I head over to my portal and I go to my requests and I go Submit New Request, you can see I have a division drop-down. Every time I change this drop-down to one of the created policies. So for example, if I select Development, you'll see that the fields change. Now we'll go to Human Resources. You'll see we have Project, Priority, Subject, and Summary. Then if I go to the IT Department, you'll see I have Priority, Subject, Summary, and Issue, the exact fields that we added. Now we can do this for every division. Let's go into the Customer Support policy that I created earlier, and we'll go to Fields to Show for just an example. Maybe I don't want to show Issue. I'll save these changes, I'll refresh my page, go to Customer Support, and you'll see that Issue is no longer there. Now this rings true for cases and fields within Case Open as well. This is when an agent is manually opening a case. Case View is when an agent is viewing a case, and we can have policies on case closure. And that's how we create policies that show the fields that we want to show within our tickets. Now, if we want to get a little deeper into it, we can also add custom fields to these policies. So you can see I have quite a few case fields here. We can create a new one, so I'll just call this Test Field. I'll have it connected to the Customer Support division, and I'll make sure this is Case Field, and I want this to be just a normal text box. Perfect. I'll save those changes and head over to Cases and Policy. I'll go to CS Policy, I'll go Fields to Show, and I can add the Test field here. I can even make that field required. I'll save the changes, then I'll go back over to the Customer Support division, and you'll see that that field was added. Awesome.